Yardstyle live.
There's a show that keep every year in Atlanta, Georgia. It's called Legends in Concert.
Yes, I always say that.
Richie Steven is the one who actually um, spoke to me and said, Biggy, you always send things to Jamaica down yet. Why don't you and your brethren, because it's a group away. Him say, why don't you and your brethren them start keep showing the money from the show and use it for do whatever I'm doing in Jamaica. And my brethren him used to send home things, seeing just like me to the organization called Connect JA. We started in 2011. Him named Dr. Cornell Levy. He's actually a doctor, but a doctor of, what you don't call it now, he's a professor, a university doctor. And then we have like Sean that come on board. We have Noel, we understand, we call him Shanks, and we have Alwyn.
So it's a
group of five of us.
Yeah.
And then the umbrella organization that over everything now is Connect JA, which is Cornell Levy is actually the president.
Okay.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.